Hello everyone and welcome back to another unboxing review. I ordered something kind of fun. This is from a company called Kansept. It's a new pocket knife. I'm a big fan of pocket knives. This one's kind of interesting though, and I'll get into it in a bit why. But normally I carry my two main knives. I don't have them on me at all times. This one is from Cold Steel and this one is from CRKT. I went over both of them in my EDC video for 2024 and I thought I would add to the collection. As I got going, I decided to reach out to a company called Kansept. Not a paid promotional ad or anything. They did give me a little bit of a discount, I'll be honest. And you can actually get one too by going to their website. I'll put the link in the description. Interesting part about this knife is it's actually made by one of my good buddies. So my buddy Morgan over at Koens Craft, he's been knife maker for years. I've known him since elementary school. He has designed a few knives for a few companies, and this is the Kansept Shikari knife. Now it comes in a few different colors. I got the orange. I really wanted the gray or the green, but the problem was they weren't available. So I ended up going with the orange, and let's get into it here. I love the box here. It's kind of very simple. Pop it open. I haven't actually seen this yet, so this is just, I guess, a note from them. Ooh, okay. So they have, I guess it wouldn't really be a sheath, but a holder for it. Ah, perfect. Okay, so this is it. Yeah, this is interesting. It's a very good size. You can really see the size difference here. It's quite a bit shorter, especially than the big knife from Cold Steel. Yeah, it's a really good size. Should be very comfortable, fit in the pocket. It's a little flashy for me, but I'll see if I can get used to it. Really cool looking blade. If you actually see on the inside here, I'm not sure if you can see that, but it actually says Morgan's name on it, which is kind of interesting. Right, and we can see them here with the blades open. Again, you can see how much smaller they are, or how much smaller the knife is compared to the Cold Steel or the other knife. I do have a few other ones, but in comparison to these two main ones that I use a lot, this one is a little bit smaller. And then just a little clip or a little button here. Press that and it should close. Yeah. Cool. Now the first thing right off the bat, it's got a good weight to it. Right off the bat, one of the things I notice is that the clip is on a weird side. So it's on the blade side. So if you look at these two side by side, this one, the blade's pointing down, this one, the blade's pointing up, which is instantly kind of different. Yeah. I'll have to work that in a little bit. Anyone viewing this can go on, and actually there's a discount when you go to their website, but I will also put the link to the description to Kansept, as well as all the product details. So the gauge of steel, the length, everything. I'll put that all in the details for you, so you can check it out on your own. Yeah, this is just a really quick unboxing of the Kansept Shikari knife by Koens Craft, or Morgan Koens. Really cool knife. I'll have to get used to it. I haven't used it yet. This is literally the first time I've opened it, but I'm looking forward to getting more of these. I would love to kind of start a collection of them. They come in a multitude of different colors and styles and everything else, but good quality. Really like it so far. So as always, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Definitely comment on all my series because I've got a bunch of stuff coming out. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers and I'm trying to put out more sort of higher quality content for you guys. And I'd love to hear from you. So let me know what you think and I will see you next time.